Hey there, Jim Gavigan, Industrial Insight. So hey, I wanted to talk with you guys about a new service that we're offering.
Yeah,
seriously, man, not you again.
Got a new driver. Yeah, I'm back. It's my show. Get out of here. My show. I got a new driver. That AI one stunk. It was horrible. Gotta be really quiet about this one though, because it's illegal. Shh. But this one was $1,000. $600 head, $400 shaft. I'm gonna beat DeChambeau. You can't miss it. It's 650 cc's of pure bliss. Look at that white. Wow, I can't miss this one. I've been working on my DeChambeau moves. Got a little Matthew Wolf mixed in there. Two of the longest guys out there today. Yeah, I'm gonna kill it now. Watch this. DeChambeau with a little wolf. Oh my gosh, my ears. Oh, my ears. Jeez. That sounded like an aluminum bat hitting a tin trash can. Actually, it was a little quieter than that. Oh, that was loud. I got an idea.
All right, so I'm ready to hit this thing now. Oh wait, sorry, I didn't realize I was yelling.
But yeah, I'm ready to hit now. I got some headphones. I'm gonna have to play with these. It kind of sucks, but DeChambeau with headphones beats. All right, I'm working on my DeChambeau. Oh, look at that. Look at that, that carried at least 200 yards. But I'm supposed to hit it at 350. All right, this one's 350. I'm gonna hit it in that bay down there in the PGA Tour Academy. What? Oh, that's horrible. You've got to be kidding me. $1,000, $600 for this stupid head. It's like hitting a tin can with an aluminum baseball bat. And I still hit it 180 yards, maybe. I can't believe this. What am I gonna do? Oh, you know, my playing partners. Oh, sorry, I'm yelling again. My playing partner's been telling me to take some lessons. Maybe I ought to do that. Maybe that's what I need. Nah.
So I want to talk to you about this new service called the Data Fidelity Study. Now, one of the reasons why we're offering it is I've been railing a lot on data quality. You've seen me write about it. You've seen videos about it. Matter of fact, my funny little character, he made an appearance before. So I really wanted to talk about something we can do to actually help you, because I haven't really talked about that. I've only told you why it was important. So what we decided to do through help with Dave Griffith, who helps me with marketing, he really pushed me to do this. So you guys can thank Dave. I think it was a great idea. So what we've decided to do is, if you have a Pi system or you have a Rockwell Automation Factory Talk Historian, either one applies. And what we can do is we can take your tag list and do an analysis on it, look at your bad and stale tags. We can get a trial license of Pattern Discovery's Compression Insight software, install that on one of your machines. And then what we can do is actually do a very deep analysis of your entire Pi system and promote a couple of hundred tags to Compression Insight in their trial license to give you kind of a microcosm of what your Pi system will look like. Now, and we have kind of a methodology outlined, and we've tested it a few times. We've done it with a few customers. I think we're on our third one now. We have a fourth one pending. So I wanted to make sure that we actually had it and kind of had it down pat before I talk to you about it. The great thing about this is literally, if you just want to do the study, you don't want to commit to buying Paul's software, it's under $5,000. We can do our study, get the trial license of software, it's under 5,000 bucks. We also have 2 other flavors of it where if, maybe you're already a user and you're not sure how to leverage it, or you like the Power BI report that comes with the study. We have some different cost options that are, one of them's like half what the data fidelity study is, or a little less than half. One of them's like a 4-hour consulting, like how can we get you started a little bit and get you thinking right. And then with the full data fidelity study, you actually get a full report. We give you a very deep dive assessment of what's going on in your system. And then we give you, at the end of it, we tell you, here are the next things that you need to focus on. And we kind of give you, an outline, a plan. Like, these are the things, this is kind of in the order you ought to execute these things. Or if you want us to help, we can do that. But during the study, we're going to train you how to think about data quality, how to use Paul's software, Compression Insight, so that way you can do it yourself. And if it's one of those situations where you just don't have the time, you can always call us and we'll be glad to help you. But the idea is for us, in a very non-invasive, not much money way, be able to get in and show you where you may have some data quality issues. So if you're starting to do analytics, you're starting to look at machine learning or things of that nature, this is a great way to get an overall assessment on how your system is. So we think it's a great idea. We've talked to a number of customers about it. We have a lot of customers that are really fired up about it. So I wanted to go ahead and introduce it to everybody. But we hope it's a very successful thing. And please contact me, jgavigan@industrialinsightinc.com, if you're interested. And I'll be glad to tell you more about it and actually show you some examples of what we can do. Anyway, thanks a lot for tuning in and hope you guys like it.